Auto response of the cart is controlled by these two pedals up front, the pedals with the red cap and the green cap on them. The green cap is going to increase the speed of the cart, and the red cap is going to decelerate the cart. The red cap is going to pick up positions and transmit them to the back of the cart, and as I press the pedal down, you see the wheels start to go. Once I lift off the pedal, the wheels are automatically going to slow down and come to a stop. Now the red cap, if you press the red cap, it'll bring the wheels to a stop sooner. And there's also a mechanical brake attached to the red cap. You can see it by this line right here, going to the very back of the cart. And it is this guy right here. You can see that. There we go. It's this guy right here. He's going to pull across that drum and bring the wheels to the stop early. So if I press the green pedal, get the wheels moving all the way up to full speed. And then I press down on the red pedal, it's going to pull the wheels to a stop faster. We're going to demonstrate the drive-by-wireless feature on the smart cart for the 2017 Senior Design Project. As you can see from here, there's no mechanical linkage between the steering wheel and the steering rack. All communications are transmitted wirelessly between modules, and the position of the steering wheel and the steering racks are picked up by optical encoders. So for power on this cart, you can see that the wheels are going to start moving, and as I turn the steering wheel, the wheels are going to track the new position according to where I turn the steering wheel at. And it doesn't matter how fast I turn this wheel either, the steering wheel is tracked pretty well. There's also a force feedback feature integrated on the cart, so when the steering wheels turn, you're going to feel a small force on the steering wheel pushing back against it, trying to reposition it according to whatever position the wheels are at. Okay, this is a test showing the calibration feature on the cart. So if I turn off the cart, power's off, and move the wheels off center. So now when I apply power to the cart, the wheels should move to their programmed center. As you can obviously see, the wheels are off center from the cart. So now if I hit the calibration button down here, that black button, the wheel should move to center. Okay, now you can see that the wheels are centered with the cart and are straight. And so if I turn the power off on the cart, okay, now pull the key out even just to show. And then move the wheels off center. And then when I reapply power to the cart, the wheels are able to find center again.
The final thing we're going to be covering, two other things that were added. This enclosure, which completely replaced the previous method of mounting all the electronics on a rack system. You can see the way they're all properly mounted in there. They've got taps that have been labeled for easy access by future teams. All the proper wiring, proper gauge and shielding. You can see some of that here and around on the back. See a few more of the taps and the shielding. And then one more addition was the dash panel for the driver. So you got speed, which needs to be zeroed, and you got your battery level, and reverse switch and remote switch can be added by future teams. A little better visibility there. And we can see if we press the accelerator, get the wheels going, and let it go. It is working.